If your wallet's feeling empty, crypto trading might be your golden ticket. Let's get started with Kohinoor free gold crypto forex trading signals. First things first, you'll need to pick a reliable exchange platform. Think of it like choosing a bank for your digital money. FP Markets, Vantage Markets, Okta FX Markets or XNES Markets, XM Traders Markets, and Ultima Markets are great places to start. Next, set up your account. You'll need to verify your identity and link a payment method. It's just like setting up an online shopping account, but for crypto. Once you're all set up, it's time to fund your account. Transfer some funds and you're ready to trade. Look for coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin. They're beginner-friendly. And here's the secret sauce. Use Kohinoor free gold crypto forex trading signals to get top-notch trading tips. It's like having a personal coach guiding your every move. Remember, stay informed and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos and visit our website. Links in the description. Happy trading with Kohinoor free gold.